Alright, are you going to read Grandma's story? Okay, here we go. Ready?
The sun was hot. Pop had a top hat. Mom had a red wig. Pig had a big cat. Pop had got the red wig. Mom got the big cat. Pig got the... I can't see when you feel like that.
Sorry.
Top hat. Mom, Pop, and Pig sat in the sun. Mom was okay. Pig was okay. Pop wasn't okay.
What does it say?
Hot.
Pop was hot.
Pop, Mom, and Pig had fun in the hot sun. The end.
Good job, buddy! I'm so proud of you! Are you awesome?
Yeah.